What if I told you Jupiter is the reason dinosaurs existed, humans evolved, and Earth stayed habitable? Now, before you think this sounds like science fiction, stop for a second. Because this isn't just a theory, it's a chain of cosmic events that started billions of years ago and is still protecting you right now. Somewhere out in space, a giant planet is silently acting like a shield, absorbing hits, redirecting danger, and changing the fate of Earth without ever asking for credit. And the crazy part is, if Jupiter wasn't there, Earth might look completely different today, or it might not exist at all. To understand Jupiter's role, we need to go back to the early solar system. Over 4.5 billion years ago, space was not calm, it was chaos. A massive cloud of gas, dust, asteroids, and comets was swirling around the newborn sun. Objects were constantly colliding, breaking apart, and getting thrown in random directions. If Earth had formed in a slightly different position, or without protection, it would have been bombarded continuously by massive space rocks. Even today, space is not safe. Thousands of asteroids cross Earth's orbit. Some of them are city-killer size, others are even bigger. So the question is, why don't they hit us more often? The answer is Jupiter. Jupiter is not just another planet. It is a gas giant so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Its gravity is so strong that it doesn't just orbit the sun, it influences everything around it. And here's where things get interesting. Jupiter acts like a gravitational shield. When an asteroid or comet enters the inner solar system, Jupiter's gravity either pulls it away, flings it out of the solar system, or captures it entirely. In fact, many dangerous objects that could have hit Earth never even get close because Jupiter changes their path. Think of Jupiter like a massive vacuum cleaner in space, but instead of cleaning dust, it cleans danger. One famous example is the comet Shoemaker-Levy 9. In 1994, this comet didn't hit Earth, it hit Jupiter. And it didn't just pass by, it smashed into the planet in a series of massive impacts that were so powerful they could be seen from Earth. Now imagine if that comet had come toward Earth instead. That would have been catastrophic on a global scale. But Jupiter took the hit. Now here's where science gets interesting. For a long time, scientists believed Jupiter only protects Earth, but newer research shows a more complex truth. Yes, Jupiter blocks many dangerous objects, but sometimes it can also redirect them toward the inner solar system. So it's not a perfect shield, it's more like a cosmic traffic controller. However, over billions of years, the net effect is still protective. Without Jupiter's presence, Earth would likely experience far more frequent and far more violent impacts, and that could have prevented life from ever stabilizing. Now let's talk about something even more fascinating. Life on Earth didn't just survive randomly, it survived in a system where impacts were still happening, but not so often that life was completely wiped out. Some scientists believe Jupiter helped create that balance. Too many impacts, life gets destroyed repeatedly. Too few, Earth might not have received the right conditions for certain chemical evolution processes. And yes, even the extinction of dinosaurs is tied to this story. That asteroid impact 66 million years ago changed everything. But without Jupiter influencing the solar system over time, Earth might have faced many more such extinction-level events. Meaning, complex life might never have had a chance to evolve, including humans. So when you look at Jupiter, don't just see a giant planet, see a system, a gravitational force that shaped the solar system's architecture, a planet that helped stabilize Earth's orbit, a silent protector that absorbs cosmic chaos before it reaches us. It doesn't shine like the sun, it doesn't support life like Earth, but its influence is everywhere, even in your existence. But here's the most important thing to understand. Jupiter didn't choose to save Earth. It's not a conscious protector. It's physics, gravity, mass, motion. Yet the result is still the same. Earth became a place where life could survive long enough to evolve into everything we see today. Sometimes in the universe, protection doesn't come from intention. It comes from balance. So the next time you look up at the night sky and you think everything is random, remember this: Somewhere out there is a planet so massive, so powerful, that it has been silently shaping the fate of Earth for billions of years. And without it, you might not be here watching this video right now. If you enjoyed this journey through space and want more deep cosmic stories explained in a cinematic way, then subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, because the universe is full of secrets, and this was just one of them. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up.